For the first time in 10,000 years, the howl of a dire wolf echoes across the modern world. But as science resurrects the past, humanity must ask, have we opened the door to miracles or unleashed something we can never control? This is insane. Scientists have just shocked the world after releasing a video where you can hear the first dire wolf howl in 10,000 years. The Times just wrote an article about it and described it as the return of the dire wolf. Now, if you didn't already know, dire wolves once roamed the Americas from Canada all the way down to Venezuela. But about 10,000 years ago, they vanished, going extinct along with other giant Ice Age animals like the mammoth. But their bones stayed behind. And fast forward to 2025. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences recently discovered ancient DNA inside fossils that dated all the way back from 11,000 to 72,000 years old. Then, using that DNA, they managed to decode the dire wolf's entire genetic blueprint. And here is where things get wild. They took ordinary DNA from a gray wolf and then edited it gene by gene to perfectly match the ancient dire wolf's genetic code. Then, using domestic dogs as surrogate mothers, Romulus and Remus were born in October. Colossal claims that they are the first true extinct animals ever. And at just 6 months old, they are already 4 feet long and weigh 80 pounds. What's crazier is that instead of being really friendly and cuddly, the Times reports that they're kind of cold, cautious, and avoid humans entirely. They even avoid the people who raised them and bottle-fed them from birth. Colossal posted about this achievement on X, saying, "This moment marks not just a milestone for us as a company, but also a leap forward for science, conservation, and humanity." They said they're aiming to revolutionize endangered species by mastering genetic technology. And if successful, not only could we hold on to our current species from going extinct, but maybe even bring back the ones lost to the past. However, not everyone is celebrating. Some say calling this de-extinction is disingenuous, arguing that these are only gray wolves with 20 edited genes to mimic dire wolf traits. Others warn that this kind of genetic meddling could lead to catastrophic consequences. But what do you think? Is this an amazing scientific breakthrough that should continue to be pursued? Or are we messing with things far beyond our control, risking consequences that we can't possibly predict? So I leave you with this. If you discovered your entire life was a lie, how far would you go to uncover the truth?